Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete or remove TikTok shop address. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok shop account, which of course I have done right here. So now that we're here in this fantastic homepage, let's see how we can delete or remove TikTok shop address. I'd like you to know that TikTok shop is a shop that allows you to grow your business. So with TikTok shop, you can tap into TikTok's vibrant, engaged global community to build your business and turn discovery into purchase. All right, so how do you delete or remove TikTok shop address? From your homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find this home icon. In here you can see my account, time zone, logout. So click on my account, and my account, go ahead and click on account settings, and that's going to take you to the account settings window. So you have these different categories of these different tabs, which include user management, taxes, vacation mood, communication preferences, qualification center, warehouse setting, and delegation mode. So go ahead and click on warehouse settings. So in here, you have this GB pickup warehouse as a warehouse name and code. You have address, you have contact, region, status, and action. So under action, I'd like you to click on edit. So in here, you can now change your warehouse name. You can change the contact person if you want to, and you can change the postal code, which is very necessary, and can change the address from here. So after changing the address, you can head over to the region and change the region to, let's say you're relocated and you just want to allow your TikTok shop to relocate with you. So head over here, change the postal code, change the address, change the region, or let's say you just want to change the shipping address because you don't want it to be the previous one that you use. So make all of those changes in here and click on save. And once you click on save, that's just going to be it. Your changes will be saved successfully. So that's pretty much how you can change your or delete or remove your TikTok shop address. Okay, so that's pretty much about changing. But if you want to just completely delete it, so you can just click on this edit option and delete everything. Once you delete everything, go ahead and click on save. That's ensure that nothing is left here. Just remove everything and click on save, and that's just going to be deleted. Now don't forget that you also need to delete the return warehouse as well. So follow through the step-by-step process as well. Click on edit and make your changes, and after making your changes, that's going to be it. The previous one will be deleted and a new one will be added. Go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.